Qingdao Exceed Tire Company Limited is a professional tire supplier engaged in R&D manufacturing and domestic and foreign trade. The main products are TBR tire, OTR tire, passenger car tire, tube and wheel. Our tires have passed GSO, ECE, DOT, SNI, SASO, ISO 9001, CCC certificate. Our brand name is Earthmaster, Land Commander, X-Trip, X-Warden. High quality is based on our tire material is Cabot carbon, Bicarat steel, and production equipment is mixing workshop Cabelco from Japan, Calenter Rodolfo from Italy, tire building machine VMI from Holland, uniformity testing, Cobalt steel from Japan, X-Tray tire testing from Mesnac, Nagama tire dynamic balance machine Kobe steel from Japan.